MULN stock analysis. Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Yo, this thing just kept melting, you know, and it's not like I wasn't expecting it. Again, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips and documented everything. In general, this is how my chart look like. Like MULN is like one of those ticker symbols where I have the most short side biases ever, like ever. I'm talking, if I scroll here, and this is not even all, it's all just MULN, you know, downside movements, downside receipts that I've gotten before. It's all moving, right? And can you guess what my direction is on this right now? Still bearish. It's not that I'm going to short, more so if the price goes up and gives me some rules, then maybe. Like here previously it was a phenomenal supply tap. But other than that, it's still just a bearish market, bearish range, all-time lows met. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.